Sagittarius, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace, and healing, abundance, and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is positive thinking. Do not be down in the dumps. Do not be a Debbie Downer. No, because your frequency is going to bring you your opportunity. We're the magnets of the universe, so I need you to be in a positive thought pattern. The smallest source of joy can springboard you into a place of positivity. Laughing at yourself, another person, a clumsy dog, a clumsy baby. The smallest things can be a great source of joy. Being able to write your name, being able to breathe. So we need you to be positive because everything is working for you, not against you. My life is full of small patches of light, so we hold on to the small patches of light, and that's the only thing we zone in and that we see. I direct my thoughts to what brings me well-being, and I place what is waiting for me in the hands of the universe. We let it go. Little by little, the light awakens in my being, and I find serenity. It's time that you build your strength back up. It's almost your time to go back at it again. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.